What up, people? Got y'all right here in the 4 hourly. And as y'all can see in my previous video, we're still making our way up, but we're getting very, very close to a reversal. And like I mentioned before, like all the markets is following this exact same thing. I just did one on NASDAQ and check that out. And also I do on a Bitcoin. Thing is, the stock market and the crypto markets is literally doing the exact same thing. So they're trying to take all the money and transfer it. That's what they're about to do because we already know everything. They try to make everything digital. They already testing out digital dollar. You already see how things is playing out, and this is what they're actually doing. So basically, they trying to trick y'all and make y'all wait for news or something to make y'all think that's what it is. But no, I'm showing y'all on the charts before it happens. It has nothing to do with the news. It has nothing to do with nothing. It's just their plans. You can read the charts, and they're going by the charts. But anyways, they formed a pattern right here, right? You see that way? The M to the dub, clearly on the EMAs. I mean, it looks so perfect. But this is what they're doing, everything else, like I said. So I'm expecting this thing to tap this thing 3 times. It's 200 EMA on the 4 hourly. And if it breaks out, we should bounce off it, get the third level, boom. I suspect the high to be around 4,200, but just below, and then we get reversal and continue our way down. Or we may never break out of this. We may not even, you know what I'm saying, break out the 200 EMA. We may actually reverse and continue our way down. And then that'll be 1, 2. Well, basically next time we're coming out, it'll be the third hit to the low on the 4 hourly, and we'll definitely drop down to the next zone. So I'm gonna hit you on the daily. Boom, I see it look even prettier. Boom, it's clear as day. Just like you see another pattern here, like it's real. See the dub, level 1, level 2, level 3, peak formation, reset. But we reset it lower than what it previously was. How we know we can continue our way down lower. And all the markets are showing the same thing. So anyways, if it was to do that, we'll bounce above. We're basically trying to break out this 100 EMA on this daily. But I doubt it happens because clearly we haven't broke out of it yet. I'm going to hit you on this weekly. Boom, on the weekly. Most important, take this drawing off. There you go. Boom. As you see, after we drop below this 50 EMA, right? That's once. We already hit the 100 EMA right here. That's when they faked them right there, like I said before. Boom. Came down again. That's the next time it coming down will be the third time on the weekly we're going to drop to the next zone. Just as we came up once, 2, this will be the third time. Basically, it's making a big M formation. It's going to smash down here at any point in time because we may continue up because we technically didn't hit that 50 EMA. But they could count as a hit, but they already made it obvious and clear as day what they're doing, you feel me? They might come down, hit this 20 EMA on the weekly, then shoot back up, and then shoot down. Because whenever they do make the move up, if they do it, they're going to make a fast reversal, and it's going to be way further lower. So everybody, if you're not paying attention, they're going to, wipe you out. Turn the drawing back on. So our next zone, I believe, is all the way down here, around $2,500. And like I said before the 200 EMA can come here, I said once the 200 EMA get around this range, it's probably going to drop. So we could actually see a drop that steep really fast. And don't forget it's holiday coming. You know what I'm saying? You never know. They're going to shoot up and shoot down. And once they below this 100 EMA, as you can see, they try to save it after they came below the 100 EMA. This will be the third time it's going to fly all the way down to the next support level, which is this 200 EMA on a weekly. Just below the previous low. But this is not the low. This is when they're going to trick you to make you think they're about to reverse the markets. You feel me? But no, the low is right here where this previous resistance was. If you look on the monthly chart, resistance twice. So that's the last thing that can possibly hold us up once we get down here. So I believe the low will be around 1,500. And I'm being generous because, like I said, they planning on transferring to digital, so they could easily wipe out these markets, even worse than what it shows in the market. I'm just telling you what it would be like if it wasn't a normal scenario in the market, but it's set up really bad. Because also, you see, like I said, market makes love doing things by threes. Look, 1 time, 2 times. This will be the third hit. And also with the EMAs, it'll be the third hit to the 100 EMA since the beginning of time. So yeah, they should, like this thing, they about to really do it to everybody now. But technically, I believe we could come all the way down here, recover all the candlesticks, all the way down to $725. But again, like I said, being generous, 1,500, and we'll see what happens from there. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, you make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.